Welcome! Today we're going to walk through how to allow only known senders to message you on Google Chat on your PC using the latest update. This feature is perfect if you want to keep your messages limited to people you trust and avoid unwanted chats from unknown contacts. Let's get started. First, open google.com in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. If you aren't, go ahead and log in with your details so you can access all your services. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen, right next to your profile photo. You'll see a grid icon made up of 9 small dots. Click on that grid to open the list of Google apps. From the menu that appears, select Chat. This will open Google Chat right inside your browser, giving you instant access to your messages and settings. Once you're inside Google Chat, head to the top of your screen and find the little gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click it, and a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option labeled Access Restrictions. Select it to open the Access Control settings. Inside Access Restrictions, you'll see options that decide who can send you messages. Here's the important part. Choose Known Senders only under the section called Who Can Message You. By enabling this setting, you're telling Google Chat to accept messages only from people you've already interacted with or who are in your contacts list. This helps keep your inbox organized and free of unwanted requests from strangers. Once you've selected Known Senders only, your settings are automatically saved. You can now close the Settings menu and continue using Google Chat, knowing that only trusted senders can message you. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've customized your Google Chat experience to be safer and more focused. Try this out today to make sure your messages are exactly where you want them to be, coming from people you know.